Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel GST bill. First, open a new Excel workbook. You'll need to identify the core elements of a GST invoice, such as your business details, customer information, and product specifics. We'll then structure your spreadsheet with appropriate columns to capture all this data efficiently. This foundational setup is crucial for accurate billing and compliance, ensuring everything is in order from the start. Now let's populate your sheet. At the top, enter your company's GSTIN, name, and address, followed by the customer's corresponding details. Below this, designate cells for the unique invoice number, the date of issue, and the place of supply. Then, create columns for item description, quantity, unit rate, and the taxable value for each product or service. Next, we'll tackle the tax calculations. Use Excel formulas to apply the correct GST rates, whether it's CGST and SGST for intrastate sales or IGST for interstate transactions. For example, if the rate is 9%, multiply the taxable value by 0.09. Sum the individual item values to get your subtotal, then add all the calculated tax amounts to arrive at the final total invoice value. To finalize your professional GST bill, add a section for the grand total amount in words, which helps prevent discrepancies. Include designated spaces for authorized signatures from both the seller and buyer. Before saving or printing, meticulously review every entry for accuracy, especially the GSTIN and all numerical values. Also, check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.